Manipur asi chak chaba mi masing khwaidagi wangba state singi manungda janbana mipal tangduna leiriba asi laksinba ngamnabagi damak fawgi pothok hena puthokpagi tangai fadaba leiri haina Agriculture Commissioner Thai Thuilung Pamaina phongdokre. Wafamasi College of Agriculture, Central Agricultural University, Imphal na sinduna SIT certification and SIT law enforcement in Northeastern Hill region haibe hiram da nimit humni chupna chathakadaba workshop come awareness augdokpagi thoram da phongdokhibane. Iroi sembada leiba CAU Imphal gi conference hall da pangthokpa thoram aduda Thai Thuilung na makhataraduna phaumarang kaina puthoklaba matamda mapandagi Ching Labour Chatliba Senfam Sing Asi, State Asida Adumak Laiduna, Senmit Lon the Chauna, Sapahan Bangamgani. State Asigi Senmit Lon Chada Yankadi, Low Singuga Mari Lainaba sector, Dagi Lakpagi Matakta, Missingi Chada Yankaisu, sector Asida Tangbana, sector Asibu, Henamapangal Kalhan Bachangi Haiki. Mahang na makataraduna Punjab, Haryana, amadi West Bengal na chingbam from Singda Paugi Pothok Hena Puthokliba Asigumna, State Asisu Puthok Pangamna ba CAU, amadi ICAR na Changsilakpa Asimak Tagat Ningay ni Haiki. Apava Faudi amadi Mahimarungi Maru Singh Puthoktuna, SIT Saturation Agency Amalay na bagi wakalol da Pangtogliba Thoram Asida, Mapandagi Lakpa Expert Singh, Line Department ki Official Kayasu, Saruk Yari. Makoina, Lomi Singh na pothok hena puthokpa ngamna ba amadi hakchang da machi oiba marumarang singi matang da kupna khanghan na bagi pandam thamli.
We cannot ask our farmers, our hard-working laborers, our villagers to reduce their consumption. We can only help in increasing our production, as well as in producing more nutritious, kind of varieties of rice by bringing about synergy of experts from various fields into this production of better varieties, and of course in the certification and the enforcement of that kind of law that will help us in the long term to bring about a sustainable economic growth through agricultural sector.